Hi guys, welcome to a new video.
So in this video I'll be telling you how you can create such various voice effects for this Halloween season.
So it's available on the free version of Davinci Resolve as well.
If you guys are new here, for those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider
hitting the subscribe button. So let's dive into Davinci Resolve to show you how it's done.
So the very first audio effect is the pitch adjustment. For that you have to come to audio on your inspector, and under pitch you see semitones. Any positive value like 8, it will result in a sound, a high frequency sound like this. So if you put a negative 8, you get a very bassy sound like this. It's very easy, you can adjust it from here itself. For the next effect, I come to effects. Under audio effects, just search on flanger. Now just drag and drop this to the audio right here, and there is a preset here. Just click on this and select robo voice. So it will create that robotic voice on your audio. If you want, you can play with the pitch also here. Let me put this a value like this to get a high frequency robotic voice. Now I can delete the effect right here. Now the next effect I want to show you is, just type in modulation. Again, just drag and drop. And under the preset, just select exterminate. And in this case, I would like to adjust the pitch to a negative value to get like a Terminator, like exterminate kind of sound effect right here. And the very last effect I want to show you is, let me just delete this one. Let me just reset everything. Distortion, just drag and drop, and you can add in a megaphone effect, so it looks like as if you're talking through a megaphone, like so. So I hope this video was helpful to you in some way. That's pretty much it for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you guys learned something from this. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, do leave them down below in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.